Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into one of the most innovative features Apple has introduced in recent years, the iPhone app library. Whether you're a longtime iPhone user or new to the iOS family, mastering the app library can significantly enhance your smartphone experience. So sit back, relax, and let's unlock the full potential of your iPhone together. The app library is Apple's answer to decluttering the iPhone's home screen. Introduced in iOS 14, it automatically organizes all your apps into categories, making it easier to find what you're looking for without endless swiping or searching. It's not just a feature, it's a whole new way to interact with your iPhone. Learn how the app library categorizes your apps into intelligently curated folders like social, entertainment, and utilities, saving you time and effort. Discover how to find your newly downloaded apps in the app library's special folder, ensuring you never lose track of your latest app adventures. Explore the seamless search functionality that allows you to view an alphabetical list of all your apps or use the quick search bar for instant access. Simplify your iPhone experience by hiding home screen pages, focusing only on the apps you use most while keeping everything else neatly tucked away in the app library. Say goodbye to pages of apps and hello to a streamlined iPhone experience. With everything organized and easily accessible, spend less time searching and more time doing. Learn how to tailor the app library to your needs, making your iPhone more personal than ever. Discover tips for organizing your apps within the app library for optimum efficiency, tricks for quickly accessing your favorite apps and discovering new ones, and best practices for maintaining a clutter-free iPhone using the app library. The iPhone app library is more than just a feature, it's a game changer for iPhone users. By taking full advantage of it, you can enjoy a more organized, efficient, and enjoyable smartphone experience. So start exploring the app library today and transform the way you use your iPhone. Thank you for watching our comprehensive guide to the iPhone app library. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. If you have any questions or your own tips to share, leave a comment down below. See you in the next video.